Okay, let's start. Day 1 started with India's Mirabai Chanu winning the silver medal, and Shaurabh Chaudhary, who is considered as a prodigy in shooting, settled to 7th position even after qualifying at the top of the table in the qualification round, which is a bit of a disappointment, but he is only 19, he'll come back stronger next Olympics. On day 4, after humiliating loss against Australia for 7-0, Indian hockey team bounced back with 3-0 against Spain. And our badminton duo Chirag Shetty and Ranik Reddy won a nail-biting match against the world number ones. If you haven't checked it already, please go check it out, link in the description. It's a must-watch game in this Olympics for India. And on day 6, Tanu Das of India beats the world champion gold medalist Ho Jin from South Korea, which is a nail-biting match to begin with. And it is also one of the best matches for India in the Tokyo Olympics. If you haven't checked it, again, link in the description, go check it out. And there is also a beautiful moment added to this match. The wife of Atanu Das, who is none other than Deepika Kumari, who is world number 1 by herself in the archery, cheered for her husband from the crowd, and which is just a beautiful moment to watch. In the Olympic level, oh man, you're a rock star. On day 13, Ravi Kumar Dahiya lost his finals and settled to silver, which he is not yet happy about. If you wanna know who Ravi Kumar is, watch his semi-final match against Samayev. Just watch it. Just watch it. It is one of the best comebacks I ever witnessed in my entire life. And India won their first bronze after 41 years of wait in hockey. 41 years. That's fucking lot. On the last day of Olympics, Aditi Ashok just 2 shots away from getting her podium gold and 1 shot away from getting a bronze. So close yet so far. She was 1 shot away from putting up a miracle. And the spotlight goes to Neeraj Chopra. Everyone expected a medal from him, and boy oh boy, he delivered. You may ask why this gold is so special. The whole India is celebrating. Let me tell you some facts. Take a wild guess. Which countries didn't get an Olympic gold medal in track and field athletics in this Olympics? I'll tell you. Germany, France, Australia, and Great Britain. Great Britain, not so great, huh? So this is the toughest competition in the Seoul Olympics, which the entire world participates, and the best of best will get a gold, and our boy delivered in the highest stage. So it is a pretty historic event we just witnessed. So what to expect from India in the next Olympics? So let's just hope the players who will deserve to win Olympics medal this year will get it next time. Like players like Shaurabh Chaudhary, who is just 19 for information, and already he is an Asian gold medalist, and Manu Bakar, Deepika Kumari, Atanu Das, men's badminton duo, Vinesh Phogat, and so many others. Let's hope for the best and cheer for India. And feel free to subscribe if you like my content, only if you like my content. And as always, Jai Hind.